Yeah, I see you, Ariana. Hey guys, Morel McCary. I wanted to give you guys an update on our dashboard. So we are into week 1 of the dashboard at work. I did a video mounting that thing up. I see you, Ariana. I did a video last week where I mounted that thing on a Sunday, and they came in and they were all amped up, and we got the dashboard live. It's been live now for, I guess, this week, since Monday. Yeah, we got it official up and running. And it's funny, guys. It's like when the guys can see how many tickets they've closed and who's in the lead, the competition is for real. Like this morning in the huddle, we were talking about the dashboard and how to make it fair and blah, blah, blah. And they were like, no, I was first. I did this ticket. I closed that ticket. I did this. So in the end, it's a competition, but we're getting the job done. Simple, guys, simple. Motivate your team. Moral of that story. If they want a dashboard to look at their metrics, give them a dashboard. It works. Who would have thought? Anyway, see y'all. Bye. Bye, Ariana.